Super cute remodeled house on a huge fence, corner lot with a nice sized 2-car detached, block garage plus a basement. New siding, windows, roof, insulation, kitchen, bath, heat, air and more. High-end finishes and so much style throughout. Original hardwood in living room and bedrooms. Tile in the kitchen and baths. The kitchen is so nice with white cabinets, tile backsplash, granite counters, stainless steel stove, dishwasher, and microwave, recessed lights that have a low light feature, pantry closet, breakfast bar and more. The kitchen and living room flow together for an open floor plan. Luxury bathroom. Downstairs has a large laundry room and room for expansion. Private patio. Detached, block garage with opener. Fenced yard with gate. Convenient location near the Watterson, parks and zoo,